Welcome to my cooking channel. Today we are going to make sardine curry. Nalla kudambuli ittu vecha MATHI curry. Let's look at the ingredients first. 2 pounds of sardine, 1 large onion chopped, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 large piece of ginger chopped, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of fenugreek seed, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of fenugreek powder, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tomato chopped, curry leaves and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 5 pieces of black tamarind soaked in 1 cup of water. Heat a medium-sized clay pot on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. When the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds and the fenugreek seeds. When the seeds start to pop, add the onion. Give it a good stir. Now add the curry leaves. Let's add the ginger, garlic and green chilies now. When the onions start to turn light brown, add the tomato and mix it well. Now that the tomato has turned into a good paste, add all the spices. Make sure that you turn down the flame to a very low one. Turmeric powder, fenugreek powder half teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of paprika and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Give it a good mix. Now the spices are well mixed. Now we can add the tamarind, which is pre-soaked in 1 cup of water. Now we can turn the flame to the medium and bring it to a boil. When the mix starts boiling, add the sardine. Give it a good stir. You can gently stir it every 5 minutes. Now cover the pot and cook it for 20 minutes. Now we can check the gravy for salt, and if you want you can add more salt. Now you can garnish your sardine curry with curry leaves.